Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making for you Jamaican curry chicken. And today you're gonna need, well, I use two types of, this is a complete curry marinade. I use that, and I also use my curry powder. I use my Maggi all-purpose seasoning as well as with some Lowry seasoning salt. I'll have the ingredients list at the bottom of the video. I use my garlic powder. I clean my chicken with some vinegar and also some lemon juice. I'm using my Bertolli olive oil as well. I have my 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 garlic mince, green onion and thyme, and also I have my white onion as well. I have 2 tablespoons. I have some brown sugar that I'll be using. So let's get right into our cooking. So I'll be adding my scallion on my thyme. I'll be adding my oil. Always add your oil first. That helps with the seasoning. I'm adding my minced garlic. So the minced garlic, I'm adding my curry complete marinade. I'm adding my garlic powder, my Scotch bonnet pepper, my Lowry seasoning, my Maggi all-purpose, my curry powder, and my brown sugar. And don't forget your white onion. So there you have it. So we're gonna, and I'm using 2 pounds of chicken bone-in breasts. When I'm doing curry, I like to use chicken breast. So there you have it. The curry complete seasoning, it also give a great flavor to it. You can just add a little bit more, like 1 tablespoon more to it. From breast flavor, you place your chicken in the oven for 30 minutes and then you can start preparing. So what we'll be doing today, we're gonna be adding our olive oil to our pot, which is already being preheated. We're gonna add our olive oil, not too much olive oil. And we will be adding our curry chicken to our pot. Do not cover, do not add any water. Right, so your curry chicken. And in the bowl, we're gonna just add a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. There you have it. So there you have it, guys. Just do not add any water. We're gonna allow our chicken to cook for 1 hour, 45 to about an hour. There you have it. We're gonna be adding our water to our curry. So there you have it. So you're gonna allow it to cook for 1 hour. Guys, after cooking for 45 to an hour, this is our finishing look of our curry chicken. Look at that. And we will be serving it with some rice today. So our curry chicken is all done. So we will be serving it with rice. So there we have it. So we'll be adding our curry chicken to our plate. So there you have it, guys, our finishing dish with our curry chicken with our rice. So let me know what you think about the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You will know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay safe and have a good day, and I'll